Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can pay Standard Chartered credit card bill. Now there are different ways how you can make the payment. You can do pay you repayment, you can do that from Standard Chartered online banking, you can auto debit from a Standard Chartered account, you can also go to any Standard Chartered branch and you can pay from there as well, and you can transfer funds from another bank account. So for example, pay you repayment, these are the primary conditions. You'll dip your credit card into the card reader and provide the amount that you want to pay. And after that, these are the steps. Cash deposit is made at cashier, and then you will get a receipt and reconcile all details. Now, as you can see, this you can do to any outlet by going on any outlet. Now this is physical and this is physical as well, as you can go to any Standard Chartered branch and ask them for the process and they will help you pay the credit card bill. Now if you want to do this online, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your online banking account. You can log in, or if you have the mobile banking app for Standard Chartered, you're going to open the mobile banking app. Now once you do that, you'll be on the menu. What you're going to do is you're going to select menu, and once you do that, you will see the payments option. Now once you see the payment option, you will select pay credit card. You can also do this, you can link menu credit cards and go to credit card payment. You can do any one of these. Now from there, of course, you're going to input the information as required, and then you will choose next. You will choose where you want to pay, how much you want to pay. You will select preferred payment account, then you will choose next. And after that, you will key in the ETAC sent to your registered phone. This is basically verification, and this will basically confirm that you're doing the transaction, and after that the payment would be confirmed. Now these are all the methods that you can use in order to make the credit card Standard Chartered payment, and you can also transfer funds from another bank account by using all of this information. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.